Hi family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make okra gel and how I use this gel on natural hair. Okra gel is very good for hair, and it can be used as a moisturizer, it can be used as a detangler, and also to slick down natural hair. And in this video, if you want to know how I use it, please stay tuned and watch the video to the end. The first thing I'm going to be doing, I will just have to unravel my daughter's hair that I did some few days ago, and then I will continue now to apply the okra gel on her hair. Why I will be doing that, I will give you some importance of okra to the hair. Okra is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and has calcium, potassium, and other nutrients that are good for hair growth. It also helps to moisturize a dry scalp and also get rid of dandruff. It promotes high hair glow and softness. Okra is very good for hair like our afro hair, kinky hair, wavy hair, or curly hair. Due to our daily life, it's normal that our hair gets or it runs out of its supply of nutrients and water due to the weather, natural agents such as wind, dust, pollution, sun exposition, humidity, and heat. Heat like the hair dryers we use every day. So because of the high concentration of water in okra, it helps to moisturize our hair. So okra is very good. You can use it as a conditioner, you can use it as a detangler, you can use it as a styling gel. Anyhow you want to use it, it is very good. And some of the natural moisturizers that we have, you have okra, aloe vera. I use okra, I use aloe vera all the time for my hair, and water too is also very important for our hair. So if you have very dry hair, I will recommend you use aloe vera, you use okra gel all the time. These are the main things I use on my hair and on my kids hair. After applying or after spraying her hair with the gel, I went ahead and detangled the hair very well with my hands from the tips to the ends, making sure that the okra gel gets into her hair. And then I went in now with my white tooth comb and comb it all through. And when you apply it, it is very easy to comb. As you can see, the hair is soft and nice and it's easy going. I comb it very easily. Secondly, I'll be showing you how I use it now to slick down her hair. So as I just finished combing the hair, I'll just use a detangling brush and then brush her hair together and making sure that everything goes together, and then I'll tie it with a scarf. You can see how shining her hair is. I didn't apply any other thing, just the okra gel itself, and you can see it gives the hair the shine I really want. And you can as well add some oils to it, or if you're going out, it'll be good you add some essential oils to it and then before you slick it down. But I just love the way the hair is shining, and I'll just leave it now. I'll tie it with a scarf and you will see how the hair is. The first time I made this gel, I decided to keep it overnight and I used it the next day because I just wanted to know, or to know how, or to see if I'll keep it the next day, how will it look like. So as I put it in my fridge, I remove it the next day and use it. It's still the same, it doesn't change. And this one you see here is the overnight okra gel that I made and put in my fridge, and the next day I used it on her hair. It was still very good. So I think if you keep it for a longer time, it will still be just like aloe vera, but I still have to try that anyway. After tying her hair and leaving it for 10 minutes, this is how her hair looks. And guys, I love the way her hair is. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll be very glad to see you all again in my next video. Thank you all so much. Bye.